36-year-old Ryan Grob arrives at the Nanaimo courthouse to learn his sentence for impaired driving causing death, leaving the scene and then trying to deceive the police about his involvement.
I apologize to the Moore family. My deepest sympathy. I mean, I wish things went differently. I wish I wouldn't have lied.
It was in the wee hours of August 24th, 2019, after the Rod and Gun Bar closed in Parksville, that Ryan Grob got behind the wheel of his truck. He was intoxicated and had ingested cocaine. Blocks from the bar, traveling at least 34 kilometers an hour over the speed limit, he struck Spencer Moore, who had also been at the bar and was crawling on the road.
I just want to know how he got there and wish I could have explanation on how he got in the middle of the road, because that's going to haunt me for the rest of my life.
Grob drove away and later tried to cover up his involvement, deceiving police. In handing down her judgment, Judge Wannock said Grob's high rate of speed, cocaine use, and previous driving record, which included 5 driving prohibitions and 7 prior speeding offenses, were aggravating factors. His guilty plea was mitigating. She sentenced him to the upper end of the range for 6 years in jail and an 8-year driving prohibition.
Judge Wannock's decision for 6 years we appreciate it. We appreciate her words in the courtroom. We appreciate her time and attention to this.
But Moore's sister-in-law says the penalties for impaired driving should be tougher, and she and the family are going to start voting for MPs who will take up the cause.
Someone coming into our lives and saying, hey, I will take this to Ottawa. That's my advocate voice right now. That's what I'm doing for Spence. That's what we want to do.
Wallace Moore says she doesn't accept Grob's apology as genuine, but they hope the father of 2 will take the opportunity to turn his life around in prison.